So on today's video, we're going to show you guys how to measure your natural nail for press-on nails. My model today is my husband, Paul.
Hey everybody.
So I'm going to show you quickly on how to use Scotch Tape. You can get it from anywhere, local corner store, whatever, Walmart, however. Just regular Scotch Tape. This is the kind I have here. And you're going to need measuring tape. Okay. Just a regular measuring tape. And some scissors. Okay. Alright. Like that. And a pen. And paper. Right here. Okay. So what you're going to do is that you're going to take the measuring tape. I'm sorry. The Scotch tape. So you're going to get some pieces off like this. And you're going to cut. Place the tape on the nail like so. Okay. Press it in. Press. Get it all the way in there good. Okay. And you're going to take a pen and just kind of draw your indentations of the embedding of your nail from the cuticle here to the next side wall here. Come around to the other side wall. There. Does that feel like it's on the inside, Paul, or the outside? I feel like it's on the inside here.
Yeah, I feel like it's on the inside.
Okay. Alright, so guys, you see that? Now you're just going to do this for every nail. Cut every nail. Okay? Once you've done this right here, you're just going to take it off. Thank you, baby. Hold back. Push back. And you're just going to place it on some paper. Okay? So you would tell the paper, of course, that was Paul's index finger. Okay? So with that, you would take the measuring tape. Okay? And you're going to use the smaller side, not the centimeter side. This side right here. If that can focus and show you. This side here. Not this side. No. This side. Yes. It doesn't matter where you start. If you want to start maybe with one of the higher notches. Like that. And then you're just going to measure it all the way to the other side. So side wall to side wall. You can start with, I say here, the higher one here. And you're just going to count each one in between to the next side wall. And make sure you give yourself some room to see. And then what it's going to be is you can count by fives. It start at the top notch, and that'll be 5, 10, 15. And then he's going to stop at this top notch here, which will make it 16 for him. Okay. So for the index finger, his number will and always will be 16, and whatever number you're going to get for the thumb to the middle finger, the ring finger, and the pinky, that's your number. And all you will have to do is just this one time. So whenever you're trying to order your press-on nails on anyone's website, preferably mine, at www.CandyDivasPressOnNails.etsy.com. And if you just do that, don't be intimidated, guys. It's just this small little simple step. And I'm serious. Once you do it, it's done. And you will be able to shop and buy press-on nails from anyone, same number, no problem. Okay, so hopefully this helps you guys. Don't forget to check me out on Etsy, and hopefully I'll see you soon. My store is fairly new, so you know, don't be intimidated. Just go in there and get what you want. Okay, contact me if you have any questions through CandyDivasPressOnNails@gmail.com, and we can talk back and forth. And any questions you have, I'll be more than happy to answer them. Okay, so you guys have a blessed evening, day, morning. Okay, and I'll see you guys next time. FYI guys, please make sure not to have on any artificial nails while measuring. Later. So please visit my store at www.CandyDivasPressOns.etsy.com or contact me at CandyDivasPressOns@gmail.com.